Hey guys, I'm April from Giggle Glitter Graphics, and it's Thrifty Thursday. I just got back from hitting 3 different thrift stores in my area, and I have a lot of goodies to share with you. 2 of these are kind of, I know you can see inside of them, they are a little bit of kind of a grab bag situation. I don't know what all is in here. I'm going to open this up later, and we're going to find out together. This one is a little more obvious, but again, I haven't opened it and gone through it, so I don't know exactly what is inside both of these, but I'm gonna set these to the side real quick. I got all kind of textiles today. I found the doily bin at one of my favorite thrift stores. They have them 50 cents a piece, so I got a few doilies. I have a haunted house journal coming up, and I definitely want some for that. I might use some in my dark forest journal that I'm working on now. I'm not sure, but I knew the haunted house journal needs doilies. So I have 3 of those. And I'll be checking back to see if they get any more that I like. And they also had some fabrics. And let me see, these are quite large. Let me get the print out here. This one was embroidered. I just like the colors on it. So you can, I'm checking my camera to see if you can see. The colors are just so pretty. I don't know what I'm making with this, but it was $2. I got 2 pieces. I'm not sure. They almost were like in the pillow sections. I wonder if they're meant to make a pillow. I don't know. I don't care. They're mine. It's going to be a journal. Here's the second one. Same thing. And I thought that if I roughed this one up, it would also be nice in my haunted house journal. I like this print. It's a little fussy. But maybe we can make it fussy and decrepit and dilapidated at the same time. So we'll see how that goes. This is from the second stop. I got this fabric. It's got all these text and print and just like, what is it, bills and writing. And I don't know if this is like a name brand. Let me see if there's like a little edge or something on it. I was just like, I can get use out of this. I definitely feel like I can use this. So there's, how much is there? It says 3 5/8 yards. It's kind of a thin fabric. I haven't opened it all the way up, but there's a lot there. I did pay, what was it? It was $4.25 for this one, but because of the usability, I went ahead and, did that. So I feel like this can be used in a lot of projects. It's neutral colored. It has that vintage feel, kind of, but vintage but modern. I like it. It's very me. This is a lace window valance. I believe that's what it said on the, yep, there it is. There's the pocket. Oh, is it a pair? I'm totally going to cut these up. Again, haunted house journal, but also dark forest journal, I think. I think that this could, let me move some of it. There's two. And this was $2, so $1 a piece. That's not too bad for these window valances. They're smaller, but I feel like there's a lot of usable material in there. Move this out of the way there. You can kind of see the pattern. These might be like a curved shape. I'm not even sure. I just saw them on the rack. I like the lace and I grabbed them. They are weird. Oh, okay. They're 2 pieces and they're wedge shaped. So you put them and they kind of swoosh. They swoosh out like that. They probably lived in somebody's home for a while. And let's see, this I haven't taken out of the bag. It was $1 and it was this old frame looking piece. I'm like, I can use that somewhere. Maybe I can do a recessed journal cover and put something inside of that. Make it double thick. I don't know. It's when you get stuff like this that you start to innovate, I think. So that was kind of a fun find. This was my 3rd stop. I also got this old thesaurus. I'm not sure what year it's from. I like the size. It's small. Year, not sure. It looks older. 50s or 60s? First printing 1946. 80th printing 1967. So probably the 60s, I believe. It's hard to tell. There's a bunch of dates in there. Anyway, so thesaurus has an index. It was a cute size. It's a pocket thesaurus, that's why. So I grabbed that. I think it was 50 or 75 cents. They also had some cheesecloth. Again, Halloween is coming up. Haunted house journal. And just cheesecloth is useful in general. 50 cents a pack. Sold. for my first stop for $1. I haven't opened this up. I'm gonna guess it's wired. It's not wired. Is it? Oh, it is. Okay. But it's a nice, fun kind of fall jute trim. I probably buy too much jute trim. I'm addicted to it and I don't use a lot of it. But I was thinking my fall journal, had my fall journal in mind with this. So I'm thinking dark forest, I'm thinking haunted house, and I'm thinking fall. And then also tropical. This guy. Okay, first inside, there was this, again, for the fall journal. This was 50 cents. It's a print, and I thought this was kind of a fall feeling image. Let me see if I can get this out of here. Let me trim. Let's see here. I can kind of trim the end of it and get it out. But I thought that this would be a really pretty print to kind of utilize inside of a fall journal. It's not necessarily fall per se. It's got bare trees, but the colors made me think of fall. So I went ahead and grabbed it. I just thought that would be fun to use. Who knows how old this is? It could be new. I don't see a date on it. I always like to see if there's dates. It could be new, printed in the USA. So I don't know, I might look that up. I already cut it open, so if it's worth anything, it's too late now. All right, $5. I don't need another dictionary, but I bought another dictionary. It's massive, and it has just, it's the Encyclopedia of Dictionaries. It's just huge. It's got everything in it. I'm not sure what the year is on this. Let's see. I mean, it's got kind of a funky 70s thing going on. I kind of just jumped right in. Apollo Plan, Men in Space. So I don't know, maybe the 70s? Anyway, I really thought it was exciting because of the large print, and it is advertised as a large print edition, I believe. Yeah, large type. And it's just, it's got your traditional dictionary in here, but then it had more things in the back. There were like sayings and things, and here, synonyms, antonyms, and homonyms. So you had that whole section, a Bible dictionary, a rhyming dictionary, a music dictionary. So there's a lot of potential here. Famous quotes. I couldn't leave it. Legal dictionary, science terms, U.S. history, and Gazette Atlas. So I couldn't leave it. I couldn't leave it behind. Oh, there's a map in the back. Those are fun. So this is something I would probably photocopy out of for personal use. It's definitely not, it's definitely still in copyright. So I don't think it's something I could scan and sell images out of. I do have a dictionary I can do that with. I have my father's childhood dictionary, and it is in sad shape, so I should scan it in at some point. But this thing, there it is, the Webster's Encyclopedia of Dictionaries, $5. Excited about that. All right, let's go back to these. Let's see what's inside. Let's do the less exciting one first, and then we'll end with the most exciting one. So this, I think, is a bunch of tropical themed cutouts. I waffled on this. It was $1.50, which is probably a steal. I don't know. I have to look up the brand and stuff if it really matters, but I do have a tropical journal to make. So, can I even get this open? Come on, tape, tear. They tape these up really well, so there's no way for me to get into these. They don't want you to peek in them at the store. They want you to get the grab bag and go home and find out what's in there. So we're doing it together. There, finally. All right. So I've got, these look like a bunch of chipboard. This is all kind of ocean themed chipboard decorations. Is there, how do I open this? It's all, oh, here, somebody taped it shut here. There we go. Pull out some of the bigger ones. Oh, look, that's fun. These will be fun to use in my, oh, paradise. All right. It's very sun bleached on that one. I almost feel like somebody used it somewhere and it was sat in the sun. Maybe that's intentional. These caught my eye, these decorative brads. What are these? Oh, look at that. Those are so cute. And some of them are not, like there's no pictures on them, so they could be used in other things. Those are adorable. And then another set of bits and pieces, 58 bits and pieces, simple stories, vintage coastal bits and pieces. So I don't think that, okay, cardstock die cut ephemera. There we go. So there's a picture of everything that's in there. Is the other one? No, the other one doesn't have the packaging, but those are going to be really cute to use in my tropical journal when I get to it. I'll probably use a bunch of those. I don't do a lot of tropical stuff, so. And I could go through, I bet there's some stuff that I could pull out and use in other ways if I kind of get clever with it. So, all right. So that was mystery bag number 1. Mystery bag number 2. I don't know what these are. I thought they were cling stamps, and then I got home and realized that they're not cling stamps. But the reason I got this are these feather die cuts. I thought that those were fantastic and I could use them in a lot of projects, and then I figured for $1.50, you know, anything else that's in here, hit or miss. Last time I took a chance, I was pleasantly surprised. I got some Audubon type bird coasters and some other things all in one package. Butterflies that were kind of like this. So, all right, let's work our way down. So there's a pack of gold and a pack of silver die cut feathers. Oh wow, there's a lot in here. Look at those. Those are so cute. I mean, right there, that 2 packs. I'd have paid $1.50. Oh, there's butterflies. Oh, I'm so pumped. Oh, look at that. Look at these dandelions and ferns. Are these might be rub-ons. They might be stickers. I'm not sure. So I'll have to look into that. I think they're rub-ons, which I've never really done before. So I'll have to test those out. So super usable. There is a butterfly and, oh, it's 3-dimensional. It's a 3-dimensional. Does it punch out? Not sure. Oh, there. It's the back is a sticker, and it's a 3-dimensional sticker. It has like 2 layers, so that's super cute. And a flower sticker. Oh, some greenery. Also, rub-ons or stickers. I'm gonna go with, I don't know. This is sticky on the back. Maybe the rub-on stickers. I could do a reverse lookup online and see if I can see if these pop up. These I'm probably not going to use very much. Maybe I'll see if my niece and nephew want these just to play around with. They love animals. Of course, some of these are funny. There's taco cats, and these are adorable. I might play with those. Now I saw these pop up. These make scratch cards. So I don't know how much I'm going to use these. I guess you put these stickers over top of something else and then it makes a scratch off. So that's kind of fun, but I don't know what I would do with them. I do like the interactive element, so that might just get stashed. Oh, look at those. Are these are all stickers. They're like little tile stickers. I feel like I got my money's worth. There's black and white ones. There are gold, black, and white ones. And then there's a few of these iridescent ones that somebody left. So that to me was a great grab bag. Even if I don't use the scratch off stickers or the cutesy stickers for junk journals, which who knows, you never know. I feel like the rest of these items are, I mean, that could maybe go in my dark forest journal. The colors are right. The rest of these are fantastic, and I'm going to get a lot of use out of most of it. They go in almost any journal. Well, I think that's everything. I've gone through all of it. I did also get a butterfly teapot trinket box. That's a wordful as a gift for somebody. And I got a sand art painting, one of the small 11-inch ones that sits on the shelf for $2. It was basically new in the box. I just had to adjust the air in it, and it's running again. Those little sand paintings, you turn it and the sand goes down. That's in my office already. I already fixed it. So I'm super pumped with that. It was like a $35 sand art painting. I hope you've enjoyed my little thrift store haul today. I literally just got home like an hour ago, and I'm like, oh, I can't wait to share this. I'm going to make a video and get it posted today. So If you want to see more of these hauls or junk journaling or anything else that tickles my fancy in the moment, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.